Hello, today's topic is rendering. Rendering can greatly be affected by sun path, shadow, scale, material, view, and light. And those are not settings in render, but they are separate aspects and commands in Revit. Setup a rendering will include the following steps. So hit View tab and render. The first step is to check the quality. Usually high is used for presenting the model to clients, but I usually use draft settings and quality. By the way, best will take 2 hours at least, depending on the material used. Regarding region, it is used to specify the exact area of the view that needs to be rendered. For example, I only need to render the facade. The second step, the output settings. The usual resolution is the screen, but for printing purposes, resolution will be printer to be, for example, 300 dpi. The third step, lighting. Before setting the rendering lighting scheme, and especially for night and interior views renderings, lighting fixture should be added or applied to our project. Consequently, in lighting scheme, we would be able to use not only exterior sun only, but also we can use exterior sun and artificial, or even artificial only. I usually use sun and artificial. Sun setting. Sunlight from top right or from top left. For the solar study, if it's going to be still, I can set the location, the date, the time. Same as single day or lighting. And please note that for realistic shadow of rendering, we use sun settings. But for aesthetically pleasing render, we might need to go to the View control bar and sun path on and shadow on. To get that aesthetically pleasing rendered shadow, we need to manipulate the sun path as shown. The fourth step, background style. We can choose no cloud or very few clouds, or cloudy, or image or color. Very few clouds. Render. In the shown example, the rendering background style is an image. The fifth step, managing the rendered image. I have rendered that 3D view already. Image, adjust exposure. Exposure value. For example, if I change the value of exposure this way, apply, it is getting darker. If I slide it the other way, it is so bright. We can reset all the changed value back to its original one by reset. This is the original exposure value. However, it is not recommended to change adjust exposure. The reason behind that is to show the real effect of the natural and artificial light in our project. Also, we can save that rendered image to our project and rename it. Furthermore, we can export that rendered image into JPG file outside our project. The last step, display, show the model or show the rendered image. Finally, moving to an example of the night rendering. What matters in the night renderings is adding the light fixtures. By the way, that applies also to the interior view renderings, where there is no sun or natural light. And I will take this opportunity to show how do we place external lighting fixtures. For example, if I am going to place a street lamp, I need to check the floor plan view that will receive that floor-based exterior light fixture. Select that sidewalk. From Properties, its level is Level Street Level. From Project Browser, I'm going to choose that floor plan view. Level Street Level. Architecture, Component. Place a component. Load family. I prefer US metric. Lighting. Architectural. External. For example, I would choose that street light. I will place one here and one there. I would place another light fixtures. Wall light. Please notice the way I'm placing it. It is recommended to place it in 3D view. If I go to the section view, the light fixture looks like it is rejected from the wall. But if I go to the second floor plan, for example, we would notice that the frame of that light fixture is placed on the wall, but the bulb, what is being rejected to the wall. That's why it looks as if the bulb is rejected from the wall. Then I'm going to copy that wall light fixture to the other floors. Select, Control, and then copy to the clipboard. Align to selected levels. I would choose, for example, second and third and fourth. Now I am able to render the night mode. Hit View tab, Render. In the lighting scheme, I would choose Artificial only and Render. For the image, I can adjust the exposure. I can make it much brighter or much darker. Moreover, we can change the color of the light, making it whiter or more yellowish. To do so, I have selected, for example, that light fixture and double click, and then saved as that family by a new name. I went to the family types in the initial color. For the color preset, I chose to be custom, and I changed that value of color temperature to be 2000 instead of 4000. 2000 would show the light yellow. Then I saved the family, and then I loaded into my project. This is my new type, wall light example 1. So I would edit type that from Properties and go again to my initial color, and I have to change the color preset to custom and the color temperature into 2000. By this, we come to the end of our topic today. Please like this video if you find it helpful.